Today we are talking about the most amazing vegetable that grows in the garden, the squash. And we are in September, so that means we are nearing the end of summer squash season and nearing the beginning of winter squash season. What you see in front of me is summer squash, and some of them are straight and some of them have a crook. So this is all the same squash. These are yellow squash, and this is what we're going to be cooking today. Besides yellow squash, we also have zucchini in the summer, and we have the patty pan squash, and there's really a number of others of summer squash. Those are the most common, and nothing could be easier to prepare. First of all, the reason I call the squash such an amazing vegetable is because it grows from an itty-bitty seed. It makes a gigantic plant, and many squash vegetables will grow on one plant. So it's very worthwhile and very easy. When you are getting ready to eat your harvest of squash, you can eat it raw. You just slice up a squash and dip it in ranch dressing and eat. This is a great snack for kids or a great addition to a fresh garden salad. But you can also roast squash. You can grill it on the grill. You can just boil it in some boiling salted water, and you can put it in casseroles. So you can prepare squash any way. And so today I hope you get some ideas about the variety of ways that you can have delicious squash. the preparation of our squash recipes for the day, and I hope you will try these at home. They are all, as you can see, quick and easy and not expensive, and I hope you enjoy them.